Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a very little short update on Orwin. This is the spring seat which I've got off the car, and I'm just showing you how I'm going about fixing it. So I basically used a sheet of cardboard, I've drawn around it. That little squiggly line there that you can see is the line that was the edge of the metal, and what I've done, I've cut back as far as I can to the nice solid thick metal, because this bit was really thin, and it went from being like wafer thin to full thickness at this point. So I've cut it right back to get rid of the really thin horrible metal, and then I've made myself this little template, and from that template I've made this. So what I've done is I've made it so it slots underneath. See the middle raised bit, I've made it so it slots underneath that. And if I just move the cardboard out of the way so I can show you properly, that nicely slots together like that. And then obviously I can butt weld it across the joints there and there, and I can weld it around that centerpiece, and I can weld it underneath as well. You obviously weld it both sides. But it's nice because it's actually, sorry about the dodgy camera work again guys, I'm just using my phone, but it is actually the perfect thickness. And believe it or not, this bit of metal, this bit of plate, this actually came from the old metal carrier for the fuel tank of Trevor, my Frontera. If you've seen the previous videos of Trevor, my Frontera, where I had to replace the fuel tank cradle, you'll know what I'm talking about. But this is actually exactly the same thickness plate, and there's actually a lot of really good usable metal on it. So I'm actually glad I kept it, because rather than just taking it to the tip and scrapping it, or letting the metal recycle guys who go around, you know, the scrapmen, rather than just letting the scrapmen take it, I kept it. And I'm glad I did, because looking at it, there's actually quite a lot of nice pieces of clean, usable, rust-free metal. Okay, it's got that little bit of surface rust at that side, but by the time I sand it back and rust treat it, it'll be absolutely fine. And then it'll all get welded together, and then get it welded on the car once I've finished the chassis leg. I'm actually going to continue doing the chassis leg today. I've not done any updates for the last couple of days because I've not had the weather for it. The rain's been a bit crappy. It's been a bit on and off, so I've been doing some decorating in the house instead while I'm on holiday. So there you go guys, little short update, and there'll be another update later when I show you the progress with the welding on the actual chassis leg itself, where this welds on. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.